The WAC single weld gauge, available in fractional, decimal, and metric increments, is a tool which allows you to perform several different types of measurements and to compare weld defects. With this tool, you can measure undercuts or pits, reinforcement of butt welds, outside misalignment, surface porosity per linear inch, and compare surface porosity for size. To measure an area of undercut, set the bottom of the gauge on the base material. Set the tip of the pointer into the area of undercut and read the amount of undercut from this scale. The locking screw can be tightened to hold readings for future references. To measure the weld reinforcement of a butt weld, set the bottom of the gauge on the base material and set the tip of the pointer on the top center of the butt weld. Read the height of the weld from this scale. To measure outside misalignment, set the bottom of the gauge on one of the pipes. Extend the tip of the pointer to the adjacent pipe and move the pointer up or down to make contact. The reading from this scale will give you the amount of misalignment. To measure a line's surface porosity in 1 linear inch, place the end of the gauge with the scale along the length of the weld to be examined. Read the amount of lined pores in 1 linear inch from the scale with 1/16 of an inch increments. To compare surface porosity for size, place either the 1/8 inch or the 1/16 inch hole in the gauge next to the pore in the weld to be checked. Compare the size of the pores to the holes in the gauge. This WAC gauge is available individually from GAGE Company, or it is included in our complete set of gauges available in our briefcase type large tool kit.